huge ask. So that's a little bit worrisome, getting into the trade for me. But it's perfect right now for a short. Setup is perfect for a short. Maybe I should go short, but that ask was a little bit worrisome. All right, so I'll go short at 37. Let's see, I'll go short at 37 on Momo. I ignore that bid. Let's see if we make opening range breakdown. So target would be 35.90. Yeah, it might bounce back. It's not that weak. Let's see how it drops. Nice. So cover some at 36.66, out some at 36.66. Yeah, it's not really that weak. I wouldn't be surprised if it bounces back from here. Out some at 36.66 and Momo. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if it really bounces back from here. It's also, we had that signal of big beat. Let's see if it does one more try. Maybe I cover everything. I covered some. I covered most of my position actually here because it might bounce back from here. So I'm mostly out. I keep a little bit Momo. I got a feeling that it's not really going down. But if it does, 35.90 would be a good target. So I'll just hold some to get to 39.90. PK was a perfect opening range breakdown. I really should have traded that. MDLZ turned out to be difficult to trade. All right, so I'm all out at 36.70. I'm all out Momo at 36. Yeah, so see, still that big guy is at 37. I'm all out at 36.75. So that's what I was afraid of exactly. I mean, that signal that we had, I mean, that big beat, the guy was still there. So he's pushing the price higher. So the big ask is very bullish. I went short, but I really had this concern that this big ask is bullish. So the guy is still there. If you look at it at the level 2, the guy is just asking higher and higher. So that's usually not a good sign. So I made a little bit money on that, but that was good. DLTR was a nice drop. And Mendola's turned out to be choppy. BZUN, such a beautiful engulfing. Yeah, that's a big squeeze. I think DLTR was a beautiful drop. Yeah, so DLTR was nice. PK was also nice. Momo is choppy a little bit. I'll stay away from Momo for now. Oh, actually, I did record it. That's interesting.